Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix TikTok account doesn't exist problem. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Well, in this case, whenever you're using the TikTok app here and you're trying to log in or add a new account, in this case, if you encounter a problem that says doesn't exist problem or the doesn't exist notification account, well, in this case, there are a few things you need to check first. So the first thing you need to do here is to make sure that the details that you're using are actually correct. Like for example, you've entered the correct phone number as well as the correct email address as well. Now, if you use the continue with Google or continue with Facebook account here, so if your account does not exist yet, what you need to do is you first need to create your account. So typically, you could go ahead and click on the sign up button that you see on your screen at the very bottom of your screen. Now, in this case, if you already have an account and you're sure that your account is existing, but then again, you're still having this pop up here or issue here, well, the first thing that you need to do here is you need to clear your cache. So typically, you need to exit the TikTok app here, press and hold on the TikTok app, click on App Info, and from here, choose the Force Stop option. Click on OK. Now click on Clear Data at the bottom right here and click on the Clear Cache option and click on OK. Now once you've done that, what we need to do next is we just need to exit this one and basically start your mobile device. Now once you restart your mobile device, go ahead and open up your TikTok mobile app again and see if that solves your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.